Hi guys, here is how you can stream online channels using VLC Media Player. Now for those who do not have a VLC player, open your browser and search for VLC Media Player. This is the official site. Open it and simply download VLC and install on your computer. It is absolutely free. We've already downloaded and installed it. So let me open it. This is the VLC Media Player. Now to stream online channels, go to Media and go to Stream and click on Network, and here paste the network link. I'm using the official test stream from VLC Videoland for demonstration. You can also add your own links here, but make sure they are legal to use. Click on Stream, Next, Next, and Next, and stream.
Elite assassins.
And now it is working, as you can see. If you go to View and Playlist, you will find all the list of your channels or streams. Just remember to always use authorized and legal streams. Thank you very much.